What up, boys? It's officially dyno day, so get hyped. Jamie's on his way here right now. I think Tommy is, but do not hold me up on that. We got the car in alignment rack. We did a quick alignment. Make sure you guys that are building cars, before you hit that dyno, make sure you always get in alignment because it does affect the horsepower numbers. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna unload the car off the alignment rack and pull it in on the dyno and wait for Jamie to get here. All right, boys, we got the car strapped up on the dyno. Drop in the comments right now what you think the car is gonna make for power. This is the finished product, how Tommy's exactly gonna get the car. I don't know if he's gonna be here or not, but they should be. I think Jamie's gonna be here in about 10-15 minutes, and hopefully Tommy will be here for the dyno, and then we'll go for a ride with him.
So I'm here today with my son.
Here with your kid?
Yeah, my son. I missed you, my son.
You just give him a kiss? Yo, Jamie, before we get started, let me get a horsepower guess.
550s in it. I'm gonna say.
Yeah, 550 cc's.
233.
233? All right, Jarek said 230. Ahmed, what did you say for horsepower? I'm not gonna tell you what Jamie just said.
232.
232?
235.
235? I'm gonna go 238.
Put dollar bets on this?
Nah, 241. I'm gonna go 241 for sure. See what it made. 205. Look who decides to show up over there, huh?
What?
I said, look who decides to show up over here, huh?
Is this thing gonna be faster than a single cam?
Definitely, it's gonna be faster than the fucking Type-R. It's gonna be faster than the total swap you wanted to do. So
You take the D-Series too?
yeah, I took them all. You told me get all your Honda shit the fuck out of your shop, so I got the cars out of there and every part.
Just fast enough to go to the grocery store and get my milk.
236.
That's not bad. I don't know if you've ever stood 10 feet from a car at 9,000 RPM. It is not comfortable.
You should stand in front of it while he's doing a pull.
No.
237.
We're going up.
You owe me $100 for every horsepower we pick up.
Over 240.
Yo, that's a real car getting fucking tuned right there.
Why are you talking about cars making under 3
Yo,
horsepower?
Grant, that's a real fucking car, right?
It's a nice car. Gone.
Thank you.
Your street cred is gone. You're talking about 250 horsepower car. That's a real car.
Yo, let me get you
Everything in this parking lot, everything makes more power than that. Every car.
Not the
Every
not
car.
the four-door.
That's the only one.
Last pull, 237. Yo, last pull 230. Yo, give me a 237. Give me your opinion about the car. I didn't get it. What do you think?
Looks sick.
What do you think about the overall build?
It's pretty cool. Everyone thought I'd hate the yellow. I think it looks great. I love Spoon.
Everybody thought you'd hate the fucking cars. Like it's not up to your you know.
No, I'm into it. I just don't like tire shine. You should wipe that shit off.
I like tire shine.
Me too.
Fuck Tommy. You don't like tire shine.
This is the first time this car's ever been washed in your possession.
Dripping off the tire.
That shit is
It's gonna
nice.
ruin your dyno. You're gonna get shit all in the dyno.
Yeah, that shit makes it look good,
That's
right?
pretty good. He spray painted them.
You clear coated them.
I use a spray can to put that shit on.
Turned out sick. I like the knockoff spoon thing.
You like the zinc?
Yeah, I got you that.
Yeah, I know. You like the zinc on the splash guard?
I didn't see. Oh yeah. So you knew.
What are those smooth socks? What are you talking about?
I was fucking.
Yeah.
Yo, you gotta match it on radiator account for it.
Oh dang.
And we put your little emblem back on.
What are these?
Well, we don't know. We just throw them off one of my cars, you know?
Just ripped it off.
Put your sticker back on for you.
Oh hell yeah.
And then put a nice OEM the hood prop. You like
and
that, right?
It's zinked. We zinked that prop rod, right?
No, you didn't.
Oh, we didn't.
That was the original one. But
it looks sick. Looks sick. Now just gotta drive it and see if it's actually fast or not.
I think it's gonna be fast. But the thing is he gonna be able to drive the car? Because shifting the 1.2 on a K series is like,
Is it hard?
it's pretty tough.
Well, that shift box is gonna be a little funny because all the gears are gonna be close together.
It's probably hard for you guys too because you're not used to that correct way.
All right, maybe you could show us.
Left hand.
All
All right, let me see the flick of the wrist.
No, I'll show you in the car.
Your grocery getter's all set, huh?
Better go get some milk.
Oh!
He wasn't letting it happen again.
It is pretty loud.
Do it again.
Let me get a 2 step. How come you didn't do it like you did the
Sounds like a Honda.
How come you didn't do it like you did the CTR?
What's that, like start it with the pedal to the floor?
Yeah, and you pinned it.
No, you didn't let me. Better get a quick video of me fucking up your parking lot.
That's not gonna happen.
Dude, you're at my shop pulling the fucking e-brake, trying to do burnouts.
You told me I could do that.
I won't fuck up your parking lot, but I'll fuck up your road.
Yo, give me a quick honest opinion. What do you think overall? What's your favorite?
looks sick.
What's your favorite part about
Yellow valve cover.
Yo, everybody.
I just said that because everyone's like, he's gonna hate it. I don't mind it. It's spoon. Like spoon is yellow. It's cool.
Everybody in the comments thought you were gonna do black. Like you wanted black.
I mean, I wouldn't hate it if it was wrinkle black. I think the blue one, the wrinkle on the blue one looks sick too.
Yeah, that's actually pretty dope.
No, it turned out awesome. Shout out you.
Would you let us build another one?
Hell yeah.
I
got another one for you to build. You just don't know yet.
The next one got to be all-wheel
green.
drive. Yeah,
Green. Let's just fuck up the Midori.
I'm with it.
Let's do it.
Let's just make it all-wheel drive.
No.
At the end of the day, it's just a fucking Honda. Who gives a fuck?
Just
right?
a Honda.
How many miles you said are on it?
1,400.
1,400. You guys want to fuck it up?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Can we see a little sign before you leave? Well, when
said
you
you
leave.
didn't want me to.
Not in the parking lot.
Where?
I want to see Rice or Tommy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's easy.
Oh, pull a little away from the garage because you might burn that shit. That shit shoots a mean flame.
What, you didn't film me?
Yo, did he tell you how much the seats cost?
No. How much do the seats cost?
15?
15 what? 100?
Yeah.
What kind of seats? Oh, they're Recaros.
Carbon Kevlar.
15 grand.
Yeah, you fucking Grant up on the way back?
Yeah, it's easy.
That shit sounds like my Banshee.
Yo, let's hear your verbal tune.
Got it. I got you. 9,000 RPM verbal
God damn. Oh my god.
You guys like this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yo, Grant, he said he's fucking you up on the way back home.
I'll see you boys later.
Alright. Alright, boys, since Tommy didn't want to take a ride for it, fuck it, we have to take a ride no matter what. Tommy just left.
Say he was scared. We didn't have a plate or something.
We didn't have a plate. Big fucking deal. But anyway, Tommy didn't want to drive it. He said he'll drive it later. But we'll do the fucking test drive for. I'll make sure everything's 100%. K-Series cars are great. And this car makes some good power too. And it's got street tires.
Runs really good.
This shit runs real smooth. Here we go, boys. First fucking rip. Yo, this shit rips.
They're lucky the car in front of us right now too.
Yeah, the red car doesn't do this because it got Archer blades. What I told you guys earlier, on street tires, K series is amazing. You know, this thing is badass. We gotta do another one. This thing is insane, like crazy, crazy, crazy fast. Oh my God. This thing rips. Yo, hopefully Tommy could drive it the way we did. I don't know if he's gonna, it's just a Honda for him, but the car being right-hand drive is a little tricky to shift. Man, this car is super, super solid. Like, it's real tight.
The car's quiet, there's no noises.
Make sure to drop in the comments, let us know what you guys think of the build. Last rip. Yo, K-Series is so awesome.
Oh man, that shit never gets fucking old. Never gets old.
Remember what I told you guys, if you're driving a B-Series all motor, please, please pull that shit the fuck out, junk it. This car is super fun to drive, especially being an Integra that's full weight. It's not even bad. Like, this shit drives like the hatchback, but you gotta remember, this car's on stock suspension. That's why you get a lot of the wheel spin.
All right, so we got Sonic in the passenger, well, in the driver's seat, but let's see what you got, bro.
You think I lost my touch?
Yeah, I think only your right hand works. I don't know about your left. Your left look a little weak.
A little flick of the wrist real quick for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to drive a K-Series.
Fucking thing rips.
Yo, shifting with your fucking left hand is completely different.
It's a little weird.
You can't really like bang the gear like how you really want to. Let's get a first gear rip for you guys. Alright boys, final numbers 237, 238. Maybe if it's a little cooler, I'd make 240. But make sure to drop in the comments, let us know what you think of the overall build. I think Tommy liked it, but I'll see you guys on the next build.